Right guys, I thought I'd do a little video showing you the new addition to my collection. It's the OEX Lynx EV II tent. I've been wanting this for quite a while now because it's quite hard to get. It's discontinued, but I got it off the OEX owners group on Facebook, which is run by the English woodsman. I got it off a guy called Russel for 95 quid. So yeah, cheers for this, Russel. And it comes with the original ground sheet as well. But I'm just fascinated by the older designs of OEX tents, especially the discontinued ones, and I've been dying to see what this looks like. So yeah, let's get it set up. Well, the ground sheet looks absolutely immaculate, like it's never been used. So that's a good start. I reckon that's a flat enough spot. It's the flattest I'm gonna get anyway. I think I'm more excited about seeing this set up than any Christmas presents I've ever had. I've never owned a ground sheet that actually is specific to the tent and fits the tent perfect. So this is like a luxury. Normally I just use a magic carpet under my tent. This is going to be the fun part now, setting up this tent, because the poles look quite difficult. But when I first got the Bobcat and the Fox 1 and the Fox 2, I thought they were difficult to set up. I think once you learn it becomes second nature to you. So far the tent looks immaculate as well. I'll keep this out for the instructions because I'm probably going to need them. Right, pole, pegs. Porch side. I'm not sure whether to put the pole in the tent first or the pegs. I think it's going to be easier with the poles first. Now I'm not going to lie, I was a bit apprehensive about this pole configuration because I've never had one like this before. It's probably going to be difficult the first few times, but we'll get the hang of it. So I'm guessing it goes like that. Yeah, I think that's right. Yeah. Safe to say I haven't got a clue how to set this one up. It feels so scary bending that pole like that. But that's how it's supposed to go. We're getting there slowly. I've seen varied comments on this tent. Some people saying that they really like it. Others saying that they hate the way the pole is and how it goes up. But hopefully I'm doing this right. These are the poles that come with it. I'm liking the look of it. Right, that looks pretty sturdy for the inner. Check these zips. Perfect. Oh God, I'm buzzing with this. Once you get the hang of it, setting it up with these poles, it's actually not bad, and it's easier not even looking at the instructions and figuring it out. Right guys, that's the inner setup. I think I've done it right. And it looks pretty immaculate, apart from the footprint that I've put on it already. But yeah, I like this porch area. It's kind of like a glorified bobcat with a smaller porch and a bigger bedroom, kind of. I don't know if that makes sense, but to me it's like a luxury bobcat. But yeah, I think I've done it right, and it looks pretty sturdy. I'm not sure if you was up on a mountain or something with strong winds, but that might be a test for the future. Right, let's get the outer on now. This outer looks immaculate as well. Doesn't even smell used. Virtually smells like when you buy a tent new. I don't know if the guy even used it or not. There's a few marks on the porch. One's my footprint, but you can tell the porch has been used a little bit, but the ground sheet's immaculate. And the inner's immaculate, and the outer is. So yeah, I think I've struck lucky with this buy. Right, let's figure out which side is the porch. Yeah, I think it's that way. Bloody hell. Tell you what, this would be fun if you was up on a mountain, wouldn't it? I'd be saying worse than bloody hell. Right guys, that's it set up. It's not a perfect pitch at all because I'm still kind of learning how to put it up, but yeah, that's it set up. Right guys, that's the little porch area with the doors open, folded up. There's inside, massive bedroom, tons of space for gear, could probably fit 2 people in at a push, but it's a perfect size for me, one guy with all his gear. You got loads of air vents, one at the front, one at the side, another one at the side, and then there's one at the back there as well. So loads of vents to keep the air flowing through so you don't get condensation. I'm just in love with this little porch. It's absolutely perfect. You can have your doors pegged out as well. If you wanted a bit of cover, both doors pegged out like that, you've got a little bit of a roof over your porch. Plus it blocks the wind out as well. Hopefully you can see in here. That's the size of the bedroom. Absolutely humongous. Oh. I'm only 5'6", so there's tons of space in here for me. But yeah, that's your little porch area. Got pockets here, storage pockets. Inside door fits in that. There's no pockets on that side. But yeah, loads of space. I love it. There are your vents inside. Love it. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to check out my other videos. Have a good one.